Looking for a memory card that keeps up with your 4K UHD videos and high-res photos? The Samsung microSD EVO Select delivers fast, reliable performance across a wide range of devices, from smartphones and drones to action cameras and laptops. Whether you're capturing stunning footage or storing your favorite games and music, this card handles it all without missing a beat. What sets this microSD card apart is its impressive speed. With read speeds up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 60 megabytes per second, it supports smooth 4K recording and quick file transfers. Thanks to US Speed Class U3 and Speed Class 10 ratings, you get consistent performance that matters when every second counts. Plus, it comes with a full-size adapter, so switching between cameras, laptops, and desktop computers is effortless. Durability is another major benefit. The EVO Select is built to last. It's waterproof, temperature-proof, X-ray-proof, and magnetic-proof. This means your data stays safe no matter where your adventures take you. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, it's a dependable choice for everyday use. Just keep in mind, it's not designed for write-intensive applications like dash cams or surveillance cameras. One user shared how the card gave them over 40 hours of audio storage on their recorder, praising its reliability. However, they noted that some older dash cams won't support cards larger than 32 gigabytes, so checking your device's specs is important before buying. The flexibility to use this card across multiple devices makes it a smart investment for anyone needing versatile storage. If you want a memory card that balances speed, durability, and compatibility, the Samsung microSD EVO Select is worth a look. It's designed to handle your high-demand files and keep your data secure, no matter the device. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your storage and experience hassle-free performance.